Hi guys, welcome to xstopz. My name is Kaden and his name is
Kalani.
And we're going to show you how to make a Nakamura paper plane. First of all, we fold it in half and get a ruler.
Yeah, if you want to have it.
Next we're going to make it in like a triangle. And we're going to do it again.
Next, we're gonna do folded upside down triangles.
Next, we're going to make it like a long triangle.
Next, we're gonna make triangles again.
And next, we're going to fold it. Like this.
Next, we're gonna fold it again. And the other side too.
Yeah. And open it up again. And we're done. And some of you want to do this. Or you could do it.
Finished. Let's test it out.
And if you want to ask me a question, don't forget about to ask a comment. Bye. Subscribe. Bye.